Oil prices had been increasing since last year, spiking to highs after Russia launched an unprovoked war on Ukraine. But since the end of May, Brent has fallen from over $120 per barrel to last trade at around $99. Similarly, the price of West Texas Intermediate, which is the US benchmark, dropped to $95 a barrel in the same period. So why are the oil prices going down? Let's find out. Crude oil prices plunged more than 7% on Tuesday as the American and world benchmarks fell below $100 a barrel. There are several reasons for this drop. The first is the Chinese economy. China is the biggest importer of crude oil in the world. The Chinese economic outlook, dimmed by lockdowns to contain COVID-19 outbreaks, appeared to be the major cause of the decline, along with increasing signs of a global economic slowdown. In addition, while demand is weakening, supplies have withstood its ground even after the Western sanctions against Russia, which has found new markets for its oil and petroleum products in China, India, and South America. The second is the US inflation and interest hike. The US Federal Reserve is seen ramping up its battle with a 40-year high inflation, with a supersized 100 basis point rate hike this month. Investors are focused on the prospect of a large US rate hike that could stem inflation, but at the same time hit oil demand and slow the economy. Lastly, there is the fears of a recession. The IMF, or the International Monetary Fund, downgraded the growth rate of the world's largest economy. The IMF downgraded its US economic growth forecast to 2.3% this year, from an earlier 2.9% projection last month. So, oil prices have tumbled in the past 2 weeks on recession concerns. So these were the three major reasons for why the global oil prices have fallen.